In this video, you learn how you can share an IBM Engage audience with MediaMath, a demand-side platform, or DSP. You'll learn how to configure the UBX endpoints and how to tag your site with a JavaScript to identify visitors. In IBM Engage, you'll create a contact list or query that you'll then share as an audience in UBX. That audience is then available in MediaMath T1 for your campaigns. The marketing team at CityCool, an online retailer, wants to keep their marketing message in front of customers wherever they go. They are using MediaMath to bid for and place their ads on third-party sites. They want to focus their campaigns on visitors who have opened and clicked through on their email campaigns but haven't purchased. Evan, the channel owner, has created a contact list in IBM Engage that targets these customers. Edward, a performance analyst, uses UBX to share the Engage contact list with MediaMath. Once received by MediaMath, Evan can configure the parameters for his campaigns. In UBX, verify that IBM Engage and MediaMath T1 are configured as endpoints. Engage must be an audience publisher. It also subscribes to events so that it can receive data through the IBM Commerce ecosystem. MediaMath is the DSP. MediaMath is an event publisher and an audience subscriber. It publishes identity data to the UBX Identity Service and can receive audiences from Engage. As part of your MediaMath configuration, you include a script on your website that lets it send its cookie. It needs to be configured with both your MediaMath and UBX account information. You'll need a modified version of the typical script so that it also captures the person's Engage ID and sends the IDs back to UBX. You can get a copy of the script from UBX support. You can use your website tagging systems to manage placing the script. It should be inserted on a page where the Engage ID is available, such as login, registration, checkout, or campaign opt-in. Depending on your site and use case, it can make sense to limit the script to fire once a day per person. Once the script is on your site, you can verify with MediaMath and the UBX support teams that they can receive your data. You can create a contact list or query in Engage to define the audience you want to share. In this case, Engage receives data from IBM Digital Analytics, so you can select contacts who opened and clicked a mailing but didn't purchase. You can now share this contact list or query as an audience in UBX. Log into UBX and navigate to Audiences. Click Share Audience. If you just created your contact list in Engage, click Refresh to refresh the target and destination audiences. Select the target audience you want to share. In the right pane, select MediaMath. Click Create New Audience. Click Next. Select the source and destination marketing database. Some applications might have multiple marketing databases. In this case, there's just one on each end. Select the identity scheme to use for the audience. No attributes are available to map. Click Next. You can schedule this audience to be shared on a daily basis at the time you specify. Select the start date and the shared time. Click Next. Specify how the audience should be updated. In this case, only one option exists: replace existing records. This option means that when the audience is shared daily, the existing audience in MediaMath will be replaced with the source audience. Click Share. The audience is now scheduled to be shared. The audience is now available in MediaMath T1. You can now add campaigns and apply different strategies. Thanks for watching.